Hi, for today, I thought I'd give you another option for publishing your information reports with. I forgot about this. It's a great way and it's super easy. It's similar to PowerPoint, but I would say that it's easier. So there's two ways to access it, okay? You can either search for it here. So it's called Sway, Sway, and it will come up as an app. Now, I'm not sure if you guys will need to download it or not, but if you click on it, it'll prompt you either way. And it looks like this. So if I show you one that some of my students did last year, basically there's a page that will come up like this where you just type in your information and it prompts you for the heading and then the text underneath. And it'll prompt you to change the picture here. And then there's lots of things that is what it looks like. So it's like a scroll across. It's really quite visually effective. So you kind of scroll across like that. And there's lots you can do with the styles. But let's go back and I'll start a new one. So you can start from a topic. So let's see what happens when I search rocks geology. Oh, it actually already has information. That's probably cheating a little bit, but it is good that it has pictures already. Oh no, these are just hints. Okay, so we could do that. So you could search rocks. So it actually has a bit about that. Um, so it says hints about your topic. We've added hints throughout this way to help you get started. So that's pretty handy. And then it's already got some pictures, but you can just change the pictures anyway. Let's go back and let's see Anzac Day. Oh wow, look at that. It does the same thing. So it has hints. Looks like it's loading some pictures already there for you. So that's really helpful. But if you did want to start just from new, you can do that as well. So you would just title your presentation, you click on background, and it's just going to search straight from the internet. So I can just type in metamorphic rocks, and there you go. Click on it, add, boom, it's in there. Then you just like you can emphasize like different parts. You can even do a link, focus point, so it's going to say where on the image it's going to see the entire image is important, so it's going to focus on that. Then we just add, and then we can have another heading or a text. Maybe we probably want a heading, and then we might say, well, actually, no, that's our general statement. So we would just want text, and then you would insert general statement, and then add another one, and then you might do a heading, and then appearance. And yeah, just add another picture. Like it's really, really easy. So there was then when you click on design, it's sort of showing you what it looks like. So you can see there it's got the general statement. I would have information about the appearance there. That looks really cool. And then if I click on styles, like there's all these different things you can change with the fonts and with the colors. So that is just another way to do it. So how you get it? Type in your search bar for Sway, or you can go through the Office 365 page. So if I go to the sector tile, Office 365, and hopefully you have a page that looks pretty similar to this, and I click on Sway, and then yeah, similar thing, new blank Sway. You do need to sign in, but I'm already signed in, so you'd have to sign in as your school account, okay? And then it's really easy to share with me. So that is just one other option that you guys might like to choose. to do. I think they look really cool and they keep them all in one spot as well. You don't really need to save it, it's just connected to the internet. So there you go.